Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we're going to talk about Seandiddycombs flexing his wealth behind bars, and his legal team, their strategy is currently working in his favor. Things are very much unfavorable for Diddy, but because he has the money, he's able to fight back. No. I'm going to tell you what to expect in the next coming days, coming weeks, because know that he's flexing his wealth behind bars and he's using his powerhouse attorney to go after these people that are filing these frivolous lawsuits. You better expect that they're going to seize his account shortly. Don't be surprised. Now, I've seen someone in my comment section saying that they have froze Seandiddycombs' account. No, they haven't frozen his account as yet, right? Know that he's going after the accusers, because if you notice with Tony Busby's lawsuit, he has to be giving, some kind of evidence. So at the end of his argument in the lawsuit, he'll say, for example, included is an image of what he uses to basically lace their drink. That's how his attorney is moving, going forward, because they're going back to track all the accusers starting from the beginning. If you guys notice, they have so far attacked Cassie Ventura. And if they were so bold to go after Cassie Ventura, accuse Cassie of having a drug problem, accusing her of being a, jealous girlfriend. But then what they did was like to say, you know what? But she went ahead and she got help. She got clean, to the end. So just think about even Joy Dickerson McNeil. In case you guys are not aware, she made claims that were not true in that lawsuit, and that was pointed out, with Diddy's first legal team. But now he has a more powerful attorney. That woman, she doesn't play. So we're going to see a reduction because of what his legal team is doing. We're going to see a reduction in the amount of people that are coming forward. And this is good because you know what I believe? I believe in the course of justice. I believe that not because someone has done something wrong, no matter how horrific, no matter how horrible, it doesn't mean that you should be their judge, jury, and executioner. Seandiddycombs is entitled to a fair trial. At the end of the day, he did horrible things. And I see people in my comment section telling me that I'm defending Seandiddycombs. Listen, you're entitled to your own stupid opinion at the end of the day. We're all entitled to our own stupid opinion. If that's what you see, that's what your eyes want to convince you that you see, it's up to you. But my point is, I believe in truth. I believe in justice. I believe that irrespective of the crimes that he had allegedly committed, we shouldn't see a legal system. We shouldn't see the course of justice being perverted. We shouldn't see where it's, field day. Anyone and everyone, someone in the corner of nowhere who was probably not even in the United States, for the past 5. Sorry about that, guys. So, as I was saying, we should not be seeing wherein, individuals who may not have even been in the United States at that time, coming out with false accusations against him. We shouldn't be seeing this. At the end of the day, remember that there's a process in place. There's a legal system in place that is supposed to be truthful. It's supposed to be honest. It is supposed to be just. And as such, people should not be filing lawsuits as a way to get a quick change. Cassie got a settlement, so I want a settlement too. He settled with Cassie within 24 hours. So I feel like I'm entitled to that. Whoa, Diddy has good money given away over there. Listen, I need a house. Even if I get $1 million, no, most of them are not going to get any money out of it. And why I'm disgusted by some of the claims is that when people file frivolous lawsuits, you know what happens? These actual victims, they sit and they observe and they feel as though these frivolous claims are factual, because remember, if you have had a particular experience, if you hear something that sounds somewhat familiar, you're going to automatically believe. So it's like you've been burnt by fire before. If you see smoke, automatically you're going to be alarmed. So the actual victims are going to look at these people and say, you know what? These people are not getting anywhere with their claims, and they're going to feel as though the same thing is going to happen to them. Victim should feel encouraged to step forward. Already, Cassie Ventura filing her lawsuit gave a lot of people the strength and the courage to step forward. And I'm going to tell you guys this. As I've said, we're going to see them seizing Seandiddycombs' account because he's fighting back. And his legal team is putting up a good fight, a damn good fight. And honestly, I love to see it. But irrespective of the good fight they're putting up, he's not going to be let out on bail. Stonebella told us that he will never go to trial. And I believe that we're already seeing evidence of such, because even though, Iran Subramania argued that they didn't offer another bail package. What other attorneys are looking into is that the bail package that his legal team has offered is more than enough. They have offered $50 million. He has offered, to have cameras in his home where they can monitor him. He will only leave his home for court, and whenever he's leaving his home for court, the court can get security and he will pay for it. So other attorneys who are looking into this, who are doing podcasts on it, they're saying that the bail package is substantial enough, so his legal team doesn't have to offer another bail package. My Jamaican accent, crossing over, it happens. But the point is, not because someone is, an evil person, it does not mean that we should be rendering evil for evil. He is entitled to a fair trial. It should not be open season on Seandiddycombs because he's a monster. We saw that video of him beating down Cassie Ventura. Also, we have to be cognizable of the fact. We have to think from a logical perspective. If you allow people to tell lies on Diddy and get away with it, and they can get money out of these cases, you know what's going to happen? It's going to be open field day, or as some would say, open season on innocent people. So let justice serve its course. When you see his legal team fighting back at these accusers, don't feel as though, they're evil, they're wicked. It is their job. And you know that if someone does something harmful to you and you have this person, you get a lawyer to sue this person and their lawyer is fighting back, you're going to stand firm, even if you're scared, even if you're hurt, even if you're saddened by it, you're going to develop the courage and the strength to say, you know what? I'm not going to back down. I'm going to fight this, and I'm going to fight to the end because I know I'm telling the truth. I know what I'm saying is factual. So the point is, do not render evil for evil. Don't say that, when someone speaks on Diddy's behalf, it doesn't mean that they're defending Diddy. It means that they're defending the course of justice, because if you allow injustice to continue, it's going to come back and bite us in the ass. Okay? And that's all I have to say about that for this video. Let me know your thoughts and see you guys later. Bye guys.